This is a short guide on using the free video editor KDEnlive. Basically because when I first saw it I didn't really know what was going on in the screen, even with the tutorials. The tutorials took off with the tracks and clips and things, but I didn't really know what I was looking at. So this is, real basics, just to get you off the blocks. I'm going to do two videos, one for just putting a couple of clips together, and the second one just for tidying up a little bit, and you've got all the tools to deal with your own clips from then on. First step then is to go to KDEnlive.org and go to the download page on version 20.04.1. Two options for Linux, two for Windows, and compiling and installing for Mac OS X. Okay, I've got version 20. I usually use 17 because I'm more familiar and it's a bit simpler. But this is the one that you're more likely going to download. So there's a few differences. One being that this display comes up, it's like unformatted. But if I force a breeze icon theme here, it restarts with the familiar display that I'm used to. It's got a previous project in here still, so we'll go new. Don't usually need to worry about this. This is like cache files, but we'll change this just to see what happens later on, just to give a little bit of a overview. I've created this folder called KDEnlive Demo. I'm going to use cache file. We've got two video tracks, two audio tracks. Okay, all the rest is default. And now we need clips. You can either load them from there. KDEnlive Demo, got source files here, but they can be anywhere on your computer. You can click OK or drag it. The other way to do it, drag and drop. There we are. So what we've got here then is the project bin where all your files go in. We've got two videos, an image. You can put an audio. I'll probably do that in the second video. So now we've got some clips. I'm going to save it so we don't lose it. Let's call it demo. We'll look at those later, where the files end up and what's left. Right, we've got three files in the clip bin. Clip bin is where all your files get collected to work on the project in the timeline here. The timeline is like your operating table where you're cutting and splicing, overlaying audio and manipulating the whole thing before rendering to a single file later on. For this area, the project bin, we've got clip monitor. That monitors what happens on there. So if we click on this, we're monitoring that file. Click on that, you're monitoring that file. We've got nothing down here yet, so the project monitor is blank. There's nothing in there. So this is the two basic things to get your head around. This is what confused me before I cottoned on to what it was, I was trying to click on a file here, cut it and stitch it to this one up here. It sounds stupid now, and it is. It's just through not knowing. Okay, so just click on that. And to get the right lengths of files on here, there's three ways of doing that really. Three ways of cutting. Because here we've got 4 minutes 38 for that one, 5 minutes 20 for this one. Don't want to drag that down. And there's a lot of lag when you're dragging big files around as well. So on this one, you're just going to play it to start with. I'll show you what you can do. We'll just speed it up as well. That's a good entry point. So in here, on this little icon, we've got set zone in. Okay, carry on. I'll do set zone out. I'm going to drag this down to track 1. There we go. We have here in the project monitor this little clip that we've cut, which is equivalent to the blue section in this 5-minute clip here. There's another bit I want, so I'm going to click on that. Click on zone in. Click on zone out. That looks longer than I wanted. Oh, that's right. You zoom using this slider or control and mouse wheel, makes it easier. Zoom makes it a lot easier for accurate cutting and splicing and overlaying and all that sort of thing. Right, our next clip then, let's put those on the same line. It's the same video, different areas of it. Finish with that one. Go to this one. And we'll do something different with this. Drag the whole thing down. You can see how long it is now if I zoom out. That's a long stretch to cut out, so get to it. You can use fast forward buttons just to speed it up a little bit. Save it the trouble, just click along the line. Grab one end, drag it up. That's the new start point. Right, let's cut that. Use the cut tool, razor tool. Now we've got an extra bit there. Yeah, just one other little bit to do. Just so we've got 4 little bits to play with later on. That'll do. So let's have a look at the project monitor then. Don't worry about the noise, I'm going to cut that out on the second video. This is just like the basics. You can get your own clips, stick them all together, make a bit of a moving slideshow. And finally, just add this image at the end. Okay, right, so that's it for now. This is our basic intro project done. We'll save that and then rejoin it in the second video.